Hey, I have got Mr. Vijay Dhanasekaran with me. Vijay is an expert, a veteran in the field of technology, and now he's one of the, I would rather say, champions in the world of DeFi and also blockchain technology. And we have the good fortune to work with him very closely in our project Limoverse. That is the reason how we came together. Though he is from the US, he lives in the US. For our project purposes, he's in India, and that time I thought of just catching up with him to have a conversation. So here is Vijay with me. So Vijay, how do you find your journey in the blockchain and the DeFi space?
I think it's been exciting so far. It's one of the game-changing moments in the technology after the internet. Blockchain is kind of going to change everything, the way how we interact with the internet, and I'm so excited that I'm be able to be part of that at the early stage.
All right.
Yeah.
You know, when we are talking about metaverse and the way metaverse is coming, and everybody is talking about metaverse, so people like us, who are actually more logical, always think that how this is going to be so different, and how the entire world will move into the metaverse. So what are your thoughts about this? How it will look like in the metaverse?
I think there's going to be parallel universes exist. That's what they call it as metaverse, and it's kind of the existence between physical and digital world. And from the physical world, we are going to enter into a digital world or virtual world, where there are multiple worlds exist, and people are going to do whatever they do in the physical world in the virtual world as well. Like you buy real estate there, you go for shopping there, and you play with your buddies, you socially interact with people. Everything what you do in the physical world, that's going to have a same kind of replication on the virtual world as well. And you don't have to be present in the physical location to interact with your loved ones or the friends. So you just get into the digital world and just socialize like how you do with your friends and family in the real world.
Okay, now you have been in the US for years together, and you are seeing what's going on right now in India. And I'm understanding that India has got the highest number of people who are in the crypto space, whether it is investment or trading. So what do you see, or where do you see the future of India in the blockchain and the crypto space?
I think governments are adapting, and they're trying to regulate like what's happening in the crypto world. It's maybe too early for some of the countries and government. Some of the governments are pioneering this, and they're kind of having regulation done at a little early stage. I think India will come ahead and define their rules and regulations very soon, and that will give more clarity to the community as well as the people who are interested in having some piece of the crypto investments.
Okay, so you after working so many years in this blockchain and crypto space, you believe that the entire world at some point of time, maybe 3 to 5 years down the line, will be completely skewed towards the digital finance and digital economy?
I think digital economy is already in place, but it's kind of centralized at certain places, and there will be some amount of decentralization. But again, it's not going to completely eradicate the fiat currency or other things. So the digital currency that's going to coexist, there will be a lot of regulations that comes around, and that will make it widely usable across different platforms. So
yeah, all right. And you're
no, I'm good.
Okay. So Mr. Vijay has been, some of you must be knowing that he has been working very closely with our project Limoverse, and he's part of that project. So let me get from him for you what's his feel about Limoverse, and because right from the concept level you have been working very closely with us on the Limoverse team. So what's your feel about that?
It's really exciting to be part of this team, and Limoverse is kind of a unique experience where we are creating a virtual world where health and fitness is the primary goal. So whenever you wanted to stay fit and have fitness or fitness related things to be done, you get into this, jump into this world, and you will be taken care with the services and products that are planning to be built around in this universe. As I said, like metaverse, there will be multiple universes coexist within each other, and Limoverse is one unique kind of universe where healthness and fitness is the primary goal for the universe.
So this has got all the potential to emerge as the largest ecosystem which can combine all the health and wellness institutions and practitioners into this, right? That's what.
Yeah, it has a quite great potential to combine every health related services and products into this, and then the people can make use of that at one place, and the experience they are going to get, it's going to be very unique, and it's going to be game changing.
And what's your opinion about the utility token? How it's going to perform in this ecosystem?
I think utility token is the fuel for the entire metaverse or the Limoverse, and that will be the primary mode of transaction that's been conducted within the Limoverse universe. So it has its own value and utility for using the services and products that are available within Limoverse. So I think, yeah, I'm so excited that we are talking about like Limoverse at a scale where nobody have thought about this before.
All right, thank you, Vijay, for the good words. I think, in fact, for the viewers, I just wanted to make it very clear that though our experience has been, my experience and my team's experience has been in the space of health technology, personalized health or health 5.0. The addition of people like Vijay on board, we are seeing the convergence of Web 3.0 joining hands with Health 5.0, which ultimately I believe could be a big revolution in the world, where I think we want all of you, whoever has got a little bit of thought, thinking about health and wellness, and this is going to be the place. This is going to be Limoverse is going to be the future of health and wellness, and this is where you can see yourself in a metaverse when it comes to health and wellness.